Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. In this episode, I'm going to give you guys a very good tip, a very good trick, and one mistake that you should not make that I've been making as a dividend investor. I'm going to show you guys something I wish I knew at the beginning of my journey of dividend investing. I'm also going to give you guys a portfolio update and how much I made this month in dividends. Dividends by far is the easiest way I earn passive income by doing absolutely nothing. I just find some great companies to invest in that just so happen to pay dividends. I used to chase dividends. I really did, but now I let the dividends chase me, and I've been finding a lot of success in this. So make sure that you guys watch the whole video so you don't miss out on some awesome tips and tricks. Also, wait, hit the subscribe button, please. And also hit that notification bell. It helps out this channel more than you can even imagine. But before we dive into this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description, deposit $100, and now you can receive 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. With those 2 free stocks, you could keep them inside the platform and decide to use it, or you could sell those 2 free stocks and withdraw all of your money. It's literally free money. Also, I left a link down in the description to Coinbase. That is by far the easiest way to buy and sell cryptocurrency. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back, dreamers. Here we are inside of my Robinhood portfolio. I'm going to give you the tips and tricks after I show you guys how much I got paid out in dividends this month. So we're taking a quick look right here. My portfolio is at $56,018.44. On the week, I'm up 2%, $1,193. But on the month, as last 30 days, I am currently down 2.99%. It's probably going to change a lot when the market opens tomorrow because I have a couple of options. The option prices don't really change after market hours, but I have a couple of AMC options that's going to skyrocket when the market opens tomorrow. So I might be back in a positive by the end of the month. So when we're looking at my portfolio, $56,000 is not all inside dividend paying stocks, but a lot of it is. So let's look at what stocks paid me out this month. Okay, here we are. So over the past 30 days, ticker symbol T, that's AT&T, they paid me out $12.48. Clorox, they paid me out $2.49 this month. AGNC, that is a real estate REIT. Real estate REITs usually pays out higher dividends. If we take a quick look at AGNC, they pay me out $12.24. I own a total of 102 shares. If we take a look at their dividend yield, I'm currently up on AGNC. I'm up $448, up 30%, but they have a high dividend yield of 7.77%. That is one of the highest paying dividend stocks I have inside of my portfolio. So that's AGNC. Once again, that's real estate REITs. They usually pay out higher dividends than other stocks. Going back over, Apple paid me out this month on May 13th on $2.72. Ticker symbol O, this is also a real estate REIT. Ticker symbol O stands for Realty Income. This is known as the monthly paying dividend stock because they pay out every single month. They pay me out $1.89. PSEC, they pay me out 66 cents. PEY, this is a ETF. They pay me out $6.54. And Siri paid me out 1 cent. I think I got a free stock from them from someone signing up. SPHD, that is also a ETF. They pay me out $3.42 on May 28th. And that's pretty much it. And then that's going to show my upcoming ones for June. So with a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, with a total of 9 different companies paying me out, that's going to bring my total to $42.45. So that is amazing. Now let's get into the nitty and gritty and let me show you guys some simple tips and tricks. Okay, so we're over here on Apple on Robinhood, ticker symbol AAPL. Now Robinhood is saying that Apple has a dividend yield of 0.66%, and that is all the information they give you. Well, I'm letting you guys know right now, Robinhood is not always up to date on their dividends. Sometimes they could be lowballing it, and sometimes their dividend yields could be way over what it actually is. And if you're chasing dividends just for their dividend yield, and Robinhood is giving you the wrong information, then you're gonna be stuck out of luck because they're not actually gonna give you what you think you're expecting that you're gonna get. So I'm going to show you guys how I look at dividends that give me a lot more detail on these dividend paying companies. And the website that I use to do all of my dividend analysis is Seeking Alpha. So let's pull up seekingalpha.com right quick. All right, here we are over on seekingalpha.com. Now, once you get here, all you want to do is type in your ticker symbol. So let's type in Apple right quick, AAPL. It's going to be the first one that pops up. It's going to give you a lot of information about the company, Bill. Right now, we're focused on the dividends. So let's just click the dividends tab at the top. And then it's going to give us all of the information. We can look at dividend yield, the growth, the dividend safety score. But down here at the bottom, here it goes. It's going to show us that Apple has been increasing their dividends for the last 8 years. It's saying that it's actually have a 0.71% dividend yield, when on Robinhood it said it had a 0.66 dividend yield. And then it's showing us that it's going to pay us out 22 cents every quarter, because Apple is a quarterly paying dividend stock. And over the course of the year, we should make around 88 cents just from owning Apple. And then it also gives you the 5-year growth rate of 9.41%. So this gives you a lot more details. To get even more detailed than this, you guys can check it out. I'm gonna leave a link to Seeking Alpha down in the description. Also, let's take a quick look at SPYD. So with a screenshot right here of SPYD, it's saying that SPYD has a dividend yield of 3.94% over on Robinhood, but over here it says they have a dividend yield of 4.5%. So it's actually better than what it's actually saying. So you guys want to be prepared for this. And it gives you that this is a quarterly paying dividend stock, and over the course of a year, it's at $42.11. You should make around $1.87 by the end of the year just from owning one stock of SPYD. So there we go, guys. Let me know down in the comment section how many companies paid you out this month in dividends. Did you know that Robinhood dividend yield calculator down there is not always accurate? Let me know down in the comment section. So let me know how many companies paid you out, and then let me know if you knew Robinhood was being janky sometimes. I think we all know Robinhood be janky sometimes. Also, if you guys want to pick up Dividends Are Dope, I'm getting paid right now t-shirt. I'm gonna have that right underneath this video. It should be a link down there. All you do is click it. It'll take you over to purchase one of these shirts. You know, I like to floss when I go out sometimes to let people know I'm getting paid while I'm outside, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, go ahead, hit the thumbs up on this video if you stay all the way to the end. It really helps me out a lot. But don't forget to pick up your 2 free stocks by clicking the link and signing up for Webull and depositing $100. Other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.